Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for this week's CVS deals video. This is the first week for this ad cycle and happy new week to you all. As you all can see, we are over 4,000 subscribers and we are still growing, and I want to say thank you all to everyone that's been supporting me. Thanks for all your words of encouragement and all the comments you leave in my comment section. I want to say a big thank you to you all. If you're just joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go check out these deals. The first deal we have here is on Select Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99, and when you buy two, you get $7 back. Pick up two Colgate Max Fresh. Both will total $7.98. Pay that and get $7 back, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is on 12-ounce Clear Care Plus or Opti-Free 10-ounce. They're on sale for $10.99, and when you buy one, you get $3 back. Pick up the Clear Care Plus, pay the $10.99 and get 3 back, making it just $7.99. Or you can pick up the 10-ounce Opti-Free, pay the $10.99 and get $3 back, making it just $7.99. The next deal I have is buy 3 get $10 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics. Pick up 3 CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each, and they will total $17.37. We have a $5 CoverGirl digital coupon and a $2 that will work on face or eye. But if you have the $3 CoverGirl eye coupon from the 12/8 savings set, use 2 of them instead of the $2 we have in our app. The 3 coupons will take off $11 and drop it down to $6.37, and you get 10 back, making them free and $3.63 moneymaker. The next deal I have is on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get 6 back. Pick up the Baby Lips priced at $4.99 and pick up Maybelline Fit Me Blush priced at $7.79. These two will total $12.78. We have a $3 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $9.78 and you get 6 back, making them just $3.78 or $1.89 each. The next deal I have is spend 12 get $4 back on Sally Hansen Cosmetics or Beauty Tools. Pick up the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel priced at $12.49. We have a $4 in our app that will drop it down to $8.49 and you get 4 back, making it just $4.49. If you don't want to do the extra care box deal, you can pick up the Miracle Gels with the 50% yellow tag. Use the $4 coupon we have in our app. It will drop it down to just $2.25 only. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 10 back on any Real Technique or Eco Tools. You can do this deal 2 ways. The first option is to pick up the Real Technique Everyday Essential Sets priced at $19.99, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 20. Pay the $19.99 and you get 10 back, making it just $9.99. The second option I have is if you don't mind paying out of pocket, pick it up. If you have a 20% off CRT, it will drop it down to $15.99 and you get 10 back, making it just $5.99. The next deal I have is on Garnier Facial Care. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 Garnier Eye Makeup Remover Pads priced at $7.79, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.90. Both will total $11.69. I have a 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT that will drop it down to $9.69 and you get 5 back, making it just $4.69 or $2.35 each. My next deal is on Nivea products. They are on spend 20 get $10 back. Pick up the Nivea lotion priced at $7.29 and pick up 2 Nivea Men Body Wash priced at $6.29 each. These 3 will total $19.87, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. If you're doing this deal and your prices are like mine, make sure your store follows the 98% rule. We only have a $2 coupon for the lotion in our app. That will drop it down to $17.87 and you get 10 back, making them just $7.87 or $2.62 each. The next lotion deal I have will be on Eucerin. They are part of the spend 20 get 10 back. Pick up 3 intensive repair 5-ounce lotion priced at $7.49. But on the app, it says $6.99, and I always ask them to price match the app. And the three will total $20.97. I'm going to use three $2 coupon. It's a tier pad coupon, and that will take off 6 and drop it down to $14.97, and you get 10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each lotion. That means you're getting back $3 from Ibotta. After the extra care box and the Ibotta rebate, these three will end up costing just $1.97 or 66 cents each. If you like Aveeno body wash, this week is not giving back any extra care box, but you can get them for a very good price. They're on sale for buy one get one half off. Pick up 2 of the body washes priced at $12.99. One will be full price and the second one will be $6.50. Both will total $19.49. We have a $3 coupon in our app. We've had this for like 2 weeks now. And today we received a 7 off 2 coupon in our app. And I have a 3 off 12 Aveeno body wash CRT. That will take off $13 and drop it down to $6.49 for both, or $3.25 each. The next deal is on L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 7, and you get 3 back, making them just $4 or $2 each. If you did not do the OGX deal last week and you have your 6 off 2, this week they're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. The cheapest my store have is priced at $9.29, but the only one available right now is priced at $10.99. If you're able to find the ones priced at $9.29, this will be your breakdown. The first one will be full price, and the second one will be $4.65. Both will total $13.94. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon, and it will drop it down to $7.49, and you get $4 back, making them just $3.49 or $1.75 each. The next deal I have is on Honey Made crackers. They're on sale for $3.99, and they're part of the buy 2 get $2 back, and that includes the Oreo cookie or the Chips Ahoy. Pick up 2. Both will total $7.98. Pay that and get $2 back, making them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next food item I have will be on General Mills cereal. They are not giving back any extra care box, but they're on sale for $1.99. Pick up 2, and that will total $3.98. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to just $2.98 for both, or just $1.49 each. The next 3 items I have is not giving back any extra care box, but I think it's a good price if you need some soda. And that will be on Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, and Canada Dry. They're on sale for 3 for $14.99. Pick up 3, pay the $14.99, and that will make each pack just $5. The next deal I have is spend $15, get $5 back on Centrum. Pick up the Centrum Men multivitamins, priced at $16.49. We don't have any coupon in our app. Pay the $16.49 and get $5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for a $3 back, and that will end up making it just $8.49. But if you don't mind paying out of pocket and you have percentage of CRT, you can use it with this deal because it's not on sale. The next deal I have is the spend 30 get $10 back, and I have 5 options in this video, but this deal is a limit of 1. You can pick whichever one you like, or you can mix it to fit your needs. And the first option I have will be on the Children Mucinex, priced at $11.99. Pick up 2, and pick up 1 Children Delsem, priced at $11.99. These 3 will total $35.97. We have 2 coupons in our app that is attaching to all 3 items. One is a 3 off, and the second one is a 5 off 2. That will take off $8 and drop it down to $27.97, and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each, limit of 3. That means you're getting back $6 from Ibotta. After the Ibotta rebate and the $10 extra care box, these 3 will end up costing just $11.97 or $3.99 each. The second option I have is to pick up the Olay Premium Body Wash on sale for $8.99 and 2 Scott Bath Tissue on sale for $10.79 each. These three will total $31.56. We only have a 2 off 2 coupon for the skirt in our app. That will drop it down to $29.56 and you get 10 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on the Olay body wash. After the $1 back from Ibotta and the $10 extra care box, these three will end up costing just $18.56 or $6.19 each. The third option is to pick up Crest toothpaste on sale for $4.99 each and 2 Scott bar tissues on sale for $10.79 each. These four will total $31.56. Use the 2 off 2 Scott digital coupon, and we also have a 4 off 2 Crest digital coupon. That will take off 6 and drop it down to $25.56 and you get 10 back, making them just $15.56 or $3.89 each. The fourth option I have is to pick up the Chic Men disposable razor on sale for buy one get one half off, but you're just picking up one and it's priced at $9.99. Pick up 2 Crest toothpaste on sale for $4.99. Pick up a bounce dryer sheet on sale for $6.99. And for the bounce dryer sheets, pick up the 120 count. Then pick up 2 Kleenex tissue on sale for 2 for $4. And these 6 items will total $30.96. Use the $3 digital coupon for the Chic, 4 off 2 for the Crest, and $1.50 off bounce digital coupon. That will drop it down to $22.46 and you get 10 back, making them just $12.46 or $2.07 each. The last option I have is to pick up the small Tide Pod on sale for $5.49, Persil detergent on sale for $5.99, 2 bounce dryer sheets on sale for $6.99, and 2 Kleenex tissue on sale for 2 for $4. I'm missing one bounce product because my store only have one, but let's assume there are 2 in this deal. These 6 items will total $29.46, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. Use $1 Tide coupon from December P&G flyer, and I have a $2 hang tag for the Persil and a $1 bounce coupon from December P&G. And for the second bounce dryer sheet, we have a $1.50 in our app. All the coupons I mentioned will take off $5.50 and drop it down to $23.90, and you get 10 back, making them just $13.90 or $2.31 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.